What is going on? I'm with my man Dirk. Tell him what's up, man. What's going on?
You already know, man. Dirk Music in the building. We shooting a video for Playing for Keeps.
We can shoot this bad boy in the studio. I don't have my hand grip right now. We can do it like this, but
4-point studio to be exact.
4-point studio.
Yeah, with Kim, man. We here.
All right.
Working.
You heard it from my man Dirk Music. Today's setup is gonna be in the studio. I got the Aperture 120D on the Light Dome Mini Mark II. Studio right here, Playing for Keeps. We gonna do the first scene in here with him sitting down. I had a 120D on him sitting in this chair.
I never knew how to win. All we do was win. I took a loss. It was a lesson. Lessons ain't cheap. That loss cost you your life. Who wanna beef? Nigga ain't never took nothing from me. Yeah, I got robbed. A couple of niggas ran off. Now they broke. Watching me ball. I never ball hard. I used to pass the ball. They know what to do with the ball. They passed it back. It roots in the game. You can't handle it. Don't take the sack. Niggas is.
Come back out here. This is the booth. It's kind of dark right now. But we got the black light. We're gonna do a scene in here. I'm gonna throw a 120D over in this corner. And I'm gonna have him standing up right here. And we'll do one in this booth as well.
At the door, I tell him sit it right down. I'm counting his money right now. Stopping my reach. I'm playing for keeps.
As he spits, you know what I'm saying, put the headphones on, you know. Your regular video, you know what I'm saying, a studio type deal. Just a quick 1, 2, 3 session for all the visuals for some of the artists here in Columbus. So stay tuned for this one, man. Kim Vision, my man Dirk Music, 4-point studio, man. Peace.
I'm playing for keeps. I'm saucy, head to my feet. I'm so neat. This drip is not cheap. I'm playing for keeps. I'm saucy, head to my feet. I'm so neat. This drip is not cheap.
What's going on, everybody? Kim Vision. Just finished up the video shoot with my man Dirk, Playing for Keeps. How you feel about the shoot, man?
Oh, man, you did your thing, bruh. You feel me?
Hey.
Kim Visions, man.
My dog, man, he's making some noise, man. So y'all go follow him. What's your Instagram?
Dirk Music on IG. You know, Dirk Music everywhere.
Cool. Y'all don't mind. Kim_Vision, man. YouTube, Instagram.
4-point studios.
Gang.
Feel me? We in this bitch.
DJ Condi Beats, man. Go shop with me. DJCondiBeats.com.
Bill West, Don Q. You see the studio? You want good sound? Come mess with us, man. We got it right for you.
What's going on, boy? It's your boy Big Drew. We up in here at 4-point studio at 6230 Bush Boulevard. Come get your track sounding right.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. When you don't want your producer all in your videos dancing and shit, man. Come to 4-point studios, man.
Oh shit! I feel like he was like, "Wait, talk about me," because I be in some of my own videos, man.
Gang. You know how we rockin' around, you know, that fake drink, feel me? That's how I pop out in this bitch, man. We in this little video shooting and shit. With my nigga Dirk, we T, nigga.
Neighborhood shit,
nigga. We neighborhood heroes in this bitch, you feel me? I bring out the drip, feel me? We all got the drip in this bitch, lit.
Straight drippers.
Play for keeps.
Let me get some.
I ain't got no drip, man. I just shoot videos, man.